Hey guys, Devin up here. It's been a minute, but I'm back with another review and let's get it started. Alright guys, let's get this started. Tab S6. Ooh, nice cloth, okay. Oh man, this cloth is so nice. So this is the charger. Is this the 45 watt? Nah, this ain't the 45 charger. Got your pen right here. Let's see, you got your charger right here. Oh yeah, we got the bad boy itself right here, the S Pen, baby. You guys know I like to do this. Just sit this right here for product placement. We're gonna put this all right here. So just clean up. No, we're gonna need this S Pen though. All right, let's get this started. How do I get this thing off? Oh, okay, just peel it off and not mess it up. Carefully and not destroy it like I'm doing right now. All right. I just realized the keyboard doesn't come with it, so I guess that's sold separately, so that sucks. The keyboard actually got me, but oh well. Turn this bad boy on. Hopefully it's charged with some power. And oh, look at this, okay.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Hey, that's pretty awesome. But that's pretty cool. You can actually put your S Pen on the back so it don't fall, and it's actually magnetic too, as you guys can see. Ooh, how's it feel? Yeah, but it's actually magnetic too, so that's pretty cool.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
I've read everything. Let's keep this going. As you guys see, this tablet has facial recognition, fingerprints, patterns, pins, password. All right, as you guys see, we are in the home screen. Looks amazing. And let's get started. You know, let's start playing with it a little bit. If you guys don't have the Note 10 Plus, this is pretty much the same thing. They both have their own features. Calculator, clock, game launcher. With this, you can play tab apps and game apps, Galaxy Store. You guys know what that is, the Play Store. You know, you got your Google apps right here, photos, and you got your camera feature, which is amazing. And you guys got your photos right here, pro mode, live mode, panorama. It's just like the Note 10. All right guys, let's get it started with the feature. It actually runs on a Snapdragon 855, same as the Note 10 currently. Comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM, 10.5 inch display. It also has 25600 resolution, OS Android 9. The camera resolution has 13 megapixels, 8 megapixels for the front facing camera. It has USB ports Type-C, a micro SD card. It actually has one port. So as you guys saw with the unboxing, it comes with a beautiful S Pen. Do I want to see it on my Apple? No, but the S Pen is useful. I have so much fun with it every time I use it. And with the docking of the S Pen on the back being on the tablet, very useful, so you can't lose it. I mean, do I mind it being inside the tablet? I mean, that's better in my opinion, so that way you know you won't lose it, because all you can do is walk around, it's gone. Or you guys know, it's something on the back like that is very easy to lose. If it was inside, just like how the phone was, I think it'd be much better, but I'm not complaining about that. It's whatever. I'm talking about something personally. I know I will lose that. The Galaxy Tab S6 actually comes with a super pixel AMO LED display that can get very bright and vivid. What's gonna bring out the beautiful, when I can tell you, watching YouTube videos on this, it's gonna be fun and nice feature just to look at and watch and just enjoy. You know, I'm gonna put down my phone to watch on this, because the brighter the display, the better. Also, Dex mode, I really mess with the Dex mode. You can actually switch from tab mode to desktop mode, so that's freaking awesome. So the audio, let's talk about the audio. It actually has a quad speaker, as you guys see. The speakers are actually on each end of the tab, and I'm gonna let you guys listen to some sounds, and to me, it sounds great.
But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me.
Okay, my favorite feature so far on this tab, you actually go on the side right here, and it's called pen up. And you know, if you're bored and just want to watch someone draw, you can actually watch live drawing as you're seeing right now. And also, you know, this is cool for the kids, it's cool for artists. You know, if you're just chilling, need an idea, you just need some inspiration, you know, just do something, like, and you just get the scrolling, you know. Anyway, I failed. And you know, you can just have a nice experience by just watching someone's drawing, you know. Like, this is awesome. She did a great job. Okay, I don't know what this is, but this is awesome. Shout out to Morgan Wolf. So last and not least, you can also go to kids mode. You can actually start your free trial, and you know, this has child-friendly games, apps, learning mode. So parents, if you know, just are occupied, and if you want your kids to, you know, stay occupied and learn, you know, you can just use this kid mode and just have them just read, have fun, just play fun kids games. All right guys, I'm done with the review. What do you guys think? Is this the tab you're gonna get? You guys comment down below, what do you think? Subscribe for more content. I really appreciate you guys watching.